thing going down is hung, hung, ha, hung, ha. Everything else is either on the hung side, which is low, or on the ha side, which is top. And then hung, ha do not exist. There are two demarcations. Same as we say yin-yang separation. It means we don't move this side, only move this side. In fighting, it's never like this. In fighting, it's never like I only do this, or I only move my feet, I don't move my head. But these are training models. Training models are 100% clear, therefore 100% useless. Once you attach it to an application, you have to adapt. But if your template is not drilled 100%, when you adapt, you lose the essence. When your template is drilled into you, when you adapt, you think you have changed, but it's actually still there. So this is very, very important. It's the same as you guys speak American English, you don't follow the rules, but actually you do. Because you're so free, you just say whatever you want, but the rules are always there. And I pay a lot of attention to the rules, and I don't sound right. So people will say, well, it's because you say whatever you want to say. No, it's not true. It's because the rules are so embedded, you don't have to think about it. So we have to train the templates until they're in you. You don't know you have a template. That's why you were saying in the Japanese seminar, you started to see certain things. But they embedded those moves in them. If you ask them, they will say, no, I wasn't doing that. But it's there. It's like you only speak English. Other people will say you speak American English. It's like, F with that. It's like, I just speak. It's not this English language. I'm just speaking my mind. I don't know I'm speaking language. I just say my ideas. That's because it's so well embedded. Only ideas are important. The language, the words are tools. You are not aware of the tools. Right now, we are only learning the tools. The ideas is a very vague thing. They are guiding you. So do not lose that idea.
Yes. One question. So you said the demarcation, right? Low and high, right?
Yeah.
Can you show some examples of the difference between high and low?
If it's here,
So the direction.